Where's my sock? Let's go find it! Luna woke up with a yawn and a smile. She looked for her sock, searched for a while. She found just one, but not the pair. She looked in drawers, under the chair. Oh no, where did it go? Maybe the sock ran off in the snow. Clean up, let's make it right. When things are tidy, socks stay in sight. She thought a monster took my sock, oh dear. Then heard a giggle, soft and clear. Mr. Socko jumped with a hop. I hide when messes never stop. Oh no, where did it go? Maybe the sock ran off in the snow. Clean up, let's make it right. When things are tidy, socks stay in sight. Socks like hiding in messy places. Let's clean up and see what shows up. Luna put her toys in a box, stacked her books and purred her socks. She hugged her bear, and guess who peeked? Her missing sock. Oh, what a sneak! Oh yay, look what we found! It wasn't lost, just hiding around. Clean up, that's the key. Take care of your things like Luna and me. When we take care of our things, they don't get lost, they love to sing. Thanks, Mr. Socko.
Spikes and a clickety-dog, one free that's fine, you shouldn't use the fake nose.